Sorry that guys, first time on my returns, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna post this video, guys, where I eat a toy in my life. So I'll be posting it tomorrow because it's night now. I can make a get ready for you. Rất mang ra mày mình điều bây giờ